Okay, let's say that I'm finished. I have some more things I want to do. I want to add some highlights to my hair and such, but I want to show you how to do your background. So once you have most of the details done, what I want you to do is you're going to go ahead and delete the picture. This is once you've got like pretty much all your details done and you're ready to just do your background. So I'm going to delete my background picture. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab a rectangle, which I can find under the shapes. And then I'm going to make it the size of my background for the most part, pretty close anyway. Now it's going to cover up me, so I have to send it to the back by clicking Arrange, Order, Send to Back. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick a background color. I'm going to do a gradient in the background. I'm just trying a couple different things to see what I like. Do I want to do something light or do I want to do something dark? I like the darker one better, I think. You can keep it that simple or you can add some details into your background to make it more interesting.